Hello friends, back with another small review. This time it is shoes from a brand which I like the most, Skechers, the American brand. The shoes I've got here is the Skechers Dlux Walker with air-cooled memory foam shoes. The best thing about these shoes is it's got a wider fit, roomier fit, premium breathable materials, extra cushion comfort. Why I like Skechers is simply because of the comfort it provides for the price. The price might seem always on the higher end for Skechers, but the comfort it provides is equivalent to the Nike high end or New Balance high end or the big brands high end. Skechers, you buy it and you can just close your eyes and be happy about the fact that it is going to give you a comfortable fit, a comfortable experience, a cushiony experience, and you will always go for a Skechers next time you want to buy a shoe. So that's it, friends. I'll open it for you, a small unboxing, as well as let me take it out. The left shoe. And let me take it out. The right shoe. It comes with a good box which says all the advertisements. Now let me put it on the sides. So these are the Skechers Dlux Walker shoes with a little more cushioning than the normal model. I got it for an offer price of $4,079 from the Pondicherry Skechers specific showroom in Providence Mall, Pondicherry. This is a fox-laced slip-on type shoes. These are fox laces, slip-on type shoes. Easily fits in, and unlike the casual fittings of slip-on, normal slip-ons, it fits to you in a very ergonomic manner, binding your feet and ankle. So very comfortable, breathable material all over, relaxed fit, the left shoe, and it looks stylish as well. You can check this part. It's got very high cushion. Overall, a very solid experience with Skechers from 2012 till now. I've not brought many Skechers because of the high price. I always go for something below 2,500, 2,000. But after using all the other brands for 2,000, 2,500, I wanted to go for a change to have some bit more cushion and comfort, some luxury if you ask me. So in that aspect, I'm going for this one, the Skechers Dlux Walker. I've tested it in the showroom and it was a pleasant experience. And after I fit the shoes, I came back to my Woodland shoes and I could feel the real difference between a Skechers and a normal brand. So yes, friends, there concludes my small short review for the Skechers shoes, Skechers Dlux Walker. Hope you like it. I will leave the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye.